This is for my weather channel news. Weather channel. Let me get some out there. The Hurricane Matthew had to be careful sometime. Tomorrow, hurricane raining, just raining, not hurricane, not the damage. Hurricane. And now, I'll tell you, the hurricane's not gonna damage. The hurricane named Matthew. Tomorrow weather. The hurricane tomorrow. Windy. Thank you for the hurricane. Hurricane winds. Damn dangerous winds storms coming tomorrow. I call them the hurricane. Hurricane. The damage in the house. The guy says you have to be careful with Hurricane Matthew. Thank you for coming. Subscribe.